Good morning class and welcome to your science class. And today's date is students, today's date is 6 January 2021. And today I am going to start your revision work. Okay, your course is completed now because your UT examination will start now on 9th January. That's why we will do the revision work. Okay, so everyone ready with your science copy, rough copy and your revision copy, whatever you have. Okay, and you all students note down this work in your revision copy or rough copy. Understand students? Yes. And come to the your topic. Today's topic is revision work. Okay, this is your science syllabus. Only 3 chapters are coming in your UT second exam. First chapter is chapter 8, that is safety and first aid. Chapter 9, air around us, and chapter 10 is water for all. These chapters are completed now. Book exercise and copy work, all things are done now. If your work is not completed, so everyone watch my all videos. Okay? Okay. Your UT second exam based on MCQS. Okay? MCQS means in your question paper. In a question paper that is online. Your UT second exam is a online mode and all questions are based on MCQS. MCQS means one question is given now and there is a 3 options, 4 options, and you have to choose now in your exam only right option. Which one is the right? Okay. And in science subject exam there is a number of question is 30. The maximum marks is 50 marks and time duration is 60 minutes. Okay student, it means you have sufficient time to complete your work. So be careful for that, and when you are completing your question paper, first you check now each and every question you attempt now very carefully. After that only one time you submit now your question paper. Okay, this is good for you and best of luck for your exam. Let's start today's class. Here is the some MCQ based question. First question is take the correct option. Okay, first is here the path for safely to crossing a road. Okay, the options are A zebra crossing, B traffic light, C is footpath. Options are first is zebra crossing, B is traffic light and C is footpath. Students, footpath, this is a very narrow pass across the road. Okay, and which is used for walking. Okay, then traffic light. In traffic light there are 3 colors light and that indicate red light, yellow light and green light. And according to traffic signal, we cross the road, we stop the road, each and everything. And third one is a zebra crossing. Okay, if according to this sentence, look at here, is two question, two options are very confusing, traffic light and zebra crossing. The path for safely crossing a road, the right option will here is zebra crossing. Why? Because suppose that student, sometime the traffic signal is green now and some people cross the road, but in other directions the traffic is not clear, and uh, uh, that may be possible for some accidents. Okay, that's why when we are cross the road using zebra crossing, this one is right option. And zebra crossing, it is a black and white strips. Okay, in our city in Varanasi there is not a zebra crossing. Yes, you know, that's why we are using now traffic signal light. Okay, but according to this sentence the right option is here zebra crossing. So everyone choose now this option. Okay, then move to the second question. We must breathe in. It's a easy question. First is fresh air, B dirty air, C strong. Strong, it is very strong wind. Okay, it is harmful for us. some dust particles are blowing now from wind, and that is harmful for our eyes. Dirty air, it is polluted air, it is not good for our health. That's why we must breathe in fresh air. A option will here correct. Then move to the third question. Third one is go with an adult for. Yesterday I was discussed this question. Go with an adult for dash. Option A will here walking, swimming, playing. Here you all students choose now which one is correct. In three options, which one is correct option? Okay, go with an adult for. This time you all students are very small kids. So you are playing, for you are going now in a garden, a playground. You go with your parents. This option will write, this one is this and this one is. But you have to choose now which one is the correct option. It means when you are going for swimming, you have to need for your adult. That's why your option will be here correct. Okay, because comparison to these places, this one is very dangerous. Swimming pool. So go with an adult for swimming, and it is for safe you, for your safety. Then move to the question number 4. It is very interesting question, students. I live in oceans, rivers and seas. When I am cold, I am float. Okay. When I am hot, I am free. Okay. Identify me. It means who am I? What is my name? Option will here A water, B ice and C is stream. Ice is floating on the water. That's why your B option will here right, and you have to choose now B option. Okay, ice is live in the ocean, river and seas. When I am cold, when the ice is cold, it is floating. When ice is hot, that ice is changed into steam, water vapor, or that time that ice is free. That's why your right option will here ice. Hope all of you enjoying these 4 questions. Then move to the some other questions. Okay student, then move to the question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here is first question. The first question is, students, the process in which steam change into liquid. This word is main. First I am write down all questions. After that I will discuss you the answers. A is condensation. B vaporization. And C none of these. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 is channel of stream water. Channel of water flowing down a mountain. Okay. Here is dash. Then right options are, first is river, B pond and C is stream. Okay. Then move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is the gas that human human stake in from the air to breathe. Okay, air to breathe. Here is dash. Option A, oxygen gas. B, carbon dioxide gas. Third is nitrogen gas. Okay. Number 4 is, it helps us to fly a kite. It helps us to fly a kite. Option A, air. B, storm. And C, none of these. Here is the fourth set of the questions, that is based on fill in the blanks. Okay student, come to the first question. The process in which steam change into liquid. The option will here condensation, vaporization, none of these. This option is also wrong, none of these. It means this is wrong. Vaporization. What is the meaning of vaporization? Vaporization means when we hot water. It means when we give the process in which water change. Vaporization, the water change steam on heating. That is called vaporization. But according to sentence, the process in which steam change into liquid. It means steam change here in a liquid. It means steam, here is a steam is cooling now. C for cooling, C for condensation. Okay, the first option A will here correct. Question number 2. Channel of water flowing down a mountain. Option A, river. B, pond. C, stream. Pond, it is a small place that is surrounded by the land. That's why this one is wrong. River. This is the large. This is the large area that is flowing from the mountain. Large quantity of area. Okay. That's why this is also is wrong. Okay students. River is a form of a stream and it is a bigger comparison to stream. And what is a stream? A stream, it is a channel of water flowing down a mountain. That's why this one is wrong and your right option is here stream. Channel of water flowing down a mountain. That is a stream. Okay. Your C option will here correct. Third one is the gas that humans take in form the air to breathe. Which gases? Oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen. Oxygen gas, and it is our lifeline gas. Okay, without it we cannot survive it. Then move to the question number 4 is, it helps us to fly a kite. This one is wrong, none of these. Storm, it is a very strong wind when we are flying a kite in a storm. There maybe your fly is not in a good position, that kite is destroyed. Okay, that's why this one is wrong and your right option is air. It helps us to fly a kite. It is a air. This one is the right A option will here correct. Hope all of you enjoying this 4 questions. Then move to the next step, that is true false. water is in a liquid, in liquid form. Option A, true. B, false. C, none of these. None of these. Okay. Number third one is steam change. Steam change. Steam change into liquid. Steam change liquid on vaporization. Vaporization. A, true. B, false. C, none of these. None of these. Number 4 is using public transport. Using public transport will help to reduce smoke in air. Smoke in the air. Okay. A is true. B, false. And C, none of these. This is the pattern of true false type questions. First question is, student, pay attention on here. We should not eat chewing gum while swimming. When we are going for swimming, that time don't eat anything because that is harmful for you. That's why we should not eat chewing gum while swimming. What is the right option? A, true. B, false. True means right. False, wrong. None of these. No one. Okay. We should eat chewing gum while swimming. It means that sentence is true. Okay. This one is A is right. This sentence is right. If we are eating chewing gum, that is harmful for us. That's why your A option will here correct. Question number 2. Drinking water is a liquid form. You drink water in a glass. That form is a liquid, solid, gas. That form is a liquid form. According to this sentence, the option A, true, B, false, C, none of these. Drinking water is in a liquid form. Yes, this is right sentence. And your right option will here A. Okay. Move to third question. Steam change into liquid on vaporization. Steam means water vapor. Water vapor change into liquid. It means water vapor change into liquid on vaporization. No. Steam change into liquid on a cooling. Means condensation. That's why your B option will here correct. This sentence is false. Here is the vaporization. Vaporization means you give extra heat now. It means more and more steam is produced now. That's why your, according to this sentence, steam change into liquid on vaporization. This sentence is false. Your B option will here correct. Okay, student. Then move to the number 4 question, and this is the last question from today's revision class. And this question is using public transport like that bus, okay, train, that are public transports, will help to reduce smoke in the air. Yes. Yes, it means when we are using now public transport, that is good for us and we reduce the pollution in our environment. This sentence is true. Okay, student, hope all of you enjoying now with all questions and you understand all questions very carefully, and you practice more and more this type of questions from your book, because your exam is MCQS based. Okay, so everyone practice some this type of another questions. And everyone students, one more thing, all of you write down these questions in your copy 2 times. How many times? 2 times. And you match now your answer with my this video. Okay, so student, for your exam, best of luck. Till then, have a nice day.